environment. Boost light does not come on with cables connected properly. Connected battery is below 2 volts. Remove all loads and try again, or use manual override mode. You failed always to jump starter when the error happened. There are another way to help you, but it is dangerous. Please carefully when you operate. After preparing the mode, press and hold the boost button for 3 seconds to resume the production settings. Become a traditional starter and lose all protection. It is normal to have sparks. After the vehicle is started, do not take the clip first. Please unplug the inner lace between the clip and the starter. Note, the positive and negative poles must be correct, otherwise the jump starter, the car's power supply, will be damaged, and the car's fuse will burn out. After restoring the production settings, how to regain protection: unplug the interface between the clip and the starter, reconnect it. It will turn red and green alternately. Ready state. Here are some basic operating for you. There are many activities on our official website. Hurry to join us. 1. Using all chargers to charge Imazing Jump Starter. In-car charger. Wall charger. Micro USB cable charge. Two, charging via USB. Plug the power cord into the USB output. Press the power button. Check the power on LED screen. Charge your phone.
The in and output port makes for easy charging of your jump starter, as well as charging devices with Type-C chargers. And the dual USB quick charge port can charge phones, laptops, and other devices 3 times faster. And it also includes a powerful light for use at night and to signal emergency vehicles and other cars. To use the jumper cables, plug in the cables to the starter. Attach the red clamp to the positive terminal on your battery, then attach the black clamp to the negative terminal on your battery. Then press the boost button and let it charge for a couple minutes. Then turn on your vehicle. And then remove the clamps in reverse order. BASAF, safely start your car in minutes.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the GOOLOO model GP200 jump starter power bank. This is a serious jump starter, guys. Let's go ahead and break it out real quick. There she is. Now the first thing I noticed is we got a really nice, fairly hard, durable clamshell. Let's see what we got on the inside. On this side, we've got a couple little welcome cards here, it looks like. We've got a welcome manual, and then just a little bit about GOOLOO. All right. Now, the unit itself. Well, this is heavy. And they got it packed away in there real nice, too. It's digital. Look at that. Push your power button right here. We've got a really nice backlit display showing the battery is 100%, USB 12 volts on. You've got a button right here for boost. All right, you push that when you're ready to boost your car. A charging indicator here. We've got a flashlight. Let's turn this thing around here real quick. All right, there's your flashlight, and the LCD display tells you what's on. We've got a flashing SOS mode, another one. And of course, as I was saying, as you push these buttons, it tells you on the screen what's going on. All right, now over here, we have our charging input, all right, from your home charger or car charger. You can charge it from both. Just plug it into there. Right here we have a USB 2 amp port. Over here we have a USB 1 amp port, as you can see right here. And over here we have an output for the cigarette lighter adapter, which you plug in right here. So you can run those items off of here as well. Now, it's very important to understand you need to make sure this is fully charged before you use it, guys. So go ahead and plug it in, charge it up before you try boosting anything. This is where your booster cables will go. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. They plug right in there. The first thing you're going to want to do is peel back this rubber cover and go ahead and plug in your booster cables like so. You're going to want black to black and red to red. At this point, the LCD screen illuminates, battery 100% jump start ready. Go ahead and push this boost button right here. You'll feel the click of a relay. And at this point, you have 1,000 cranking amps peak available to your battery to jump start your car.